Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Authorize.net with Jotform. This integration allows you to accept payments directly through your forms, making it incredibly useful for anyone running an online business or collecting payments through their website. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your Jotform dashboard without any delays. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on it to begin the process of building your new form. This button is your starting point for creating any type of form in Jotform. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Form to proceed. You'll then be presented with different ways to start your form. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a clean slate to work with and full control over your form's design and functionality. Now that your form editor is open, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find the Add Element option. Click on it to reveal all the available form elements you can add. From the categories that appear, click on Payments. This section contains all the payment-related integrations that Jotform offers. In the search field within the Payments section, type Authorize.net. This will filter the results and bring up the Authorize.net integration option. Once it appears, click on it to proceed with the setup. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Authorize.net integration panel appear. Look for the yellow button within this panel and click it. This button initiates the connection process between your Jotform and your Authorize.net account. You'll now be prompted to enter your API login ID, transaction key, and client key from Authorize.net. These credentials are essential for establishing a secure connection between the two platforms. Make sure you have these details from your Authorize.net account before proceeding. After entering all three pieces of information, click the Connect with Authorize.net button. The system will take a moment to verify your credentials and establish the connection. Once the connection is established, click Save to store your integration settings. This ensures that your payment gateway remains connected to your form. Next, locate the Currency drop-down menu, click on it, and select your preferred currency from the list. This setting determines what currency your customers will see when they're making payments through your form. Now it's time to add products to your form. Click on the Product List button, which will show you any existing products or give you the option to add new ones. To add a new product, click the plus Add Product button. A form will appear where you can enter all the details for your product. Type in the name of the product, set the price, and add a description that clearly explains what you're selling. To make your product more appealing, click Choose Images and then select Upload File. This allows you to add a visual representation of your product, which can help increase conversions. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Authorize.net with Jotform and set up your first payment product. Your form is now ready to accept payments securely through Authorize.net. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.